Hoje quero contar-vos a minha história. Não por minha causa, mas pelo que descobri. Sou o Gaspar. Tenho 8 anos e muita vontade de descobrir o mundo. Como ainda estou a aprender inglês, pedi a uns amigos para me ajudarem a partilhar esta história. Afinal, esta história também é deles.
We all live on boats, some bigger, some smaller. My boat is quite old and wise. It's called Sungila, which means beautiful in my grandparents' homeland, Mozambique.
I don't know which seas my boat has sailed, but the way she goes up and down the waves tells me that she is quite experienced.
At sea, there are a lot of fearful moments. I wish I was braver, but I know that the sea is far stronger than me. Even my dad, my hero, seems like a little guy when the sea grows into a scary giant. He likes fishing, but we don't fish much. He taught me that we should only catch enough to eat each day. Do you know what trolling is?
We secure a rod in the stern and let the hook dance freely in the water.
Then we cannot sail too fast or too slow. Fishes are just like us, eager for challenges, and once in a while a fish gets lucky chasing us and bites the hook. The story that I want to tell you is about these fishing adventures. Our hook brings more plastic each day, and that makes me sad. I wonder about those stories that I heard about animals being found dead, full of garbage in their tummies. The stuff that I see floating on the water, no one told me about. I see it myself, and it seems to me that each day I see more of it. I've learnt that it is very hard to recycle most of the things that we produce. So either at the sea or ashore, it is meant to hoard, and if we keep living this way, instead of continents and oceans, we will only have piles of rubbish. We are acting as if we have some other planet to go to. We don't. So just like the fishes that chase the hook to discover that it is them that got caught,
we better realise that it's not the planet being destroyed, it is us.
Posso ser apenas um jovem no mar, mas já sei que para existirem flores amanhã, temos que as plantar hoje. Por isso, vou mudar o mundo e vou começar por mim.